pagdating mo sa buhay ko, lahat sumaya, buhay ko'y nag-iba. Happy birthday! Ang saya ng mundo ngayong ikaw ay narito. I wish you a happy birthday. Ang araw na to ay araw mo, pagdating mo sa ating mundo. Natatandaan.
Scratch, I just wanna greet you happy birthday. God bless you always. I'm always here for you.
Happy birthday.
Wala lang yung tanay, bisan din ang tamag kita na but chit man gyapon. Tani, wala changes na mo, of course, between the two of us. I always treasure our friendship. Hope nga hindi ka mabag-o, araw lang ko dependent for you. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Take care good always. Take good care of yourself. Na. So, I miss you once again. Happy birthday!